На коне!
Нет, скажи за Россию.
За Россию!
Пью за медведя.
За Россию.
Россию, за Россию!
So, Litecoin is set for a move to the upside, and could this be our short-term price target, which is $215 for Litecoin? Could Litecoin reach this price target within a few weeks or months? Stay tuned on today's video to find out what am I going to do with this setup. So, let's roll the cameras. So, I hope you're having a good day. This is me, Digital Digits, bringing you a weekly video on Litecoin. As you can see, Litecoin has broken out of this descending channel, or you could say this was a bullish flag. Bullish flags tend to break to the upside and have some explosive moves when we tend to break the upper resistance trend line. As you can see, we broke the upper resistance trend line, and now it looks like Litecoin is going sideways, possibly waiting for a move to the upside. Last week, I said that Litecoin is going to form these type of consolidation patterns, which are normally bear flags. These patterns normally break to the upside. These are known as continuation patterns and tend to break to the upside. So I said you have to place a trade at around the bottom of these bear flag support trend line, and you could have placed your trade at around the $188 level for Litecoin. So if you took that trade, you'll be up significantly by now, because I also scaled in a bit at around those areas on spots. I bought Litecoin on spots, so it's a good trade that's playing out. But my leverage trade is still up. I'm gonna close my leverage trade at approximately $232 because I want to realize profits, because this has been a long-term trade. So I want to realize my profits when the price reaches $232 per Litecoin. And it looks like we're going to reach this target within a few weeks, because we are currently forming another flag on the 4-hour time frame. So this could be another place where you could put in your positions and possibly for a move to the upside. Because I said we are going to go, if you look at that blue line that I did last week, I said that Litecoin is gonna go up and possibly form some sort of a correction, which it did, which was the bear flag, and you had to place your trade at around the $288 level. Then I said that Litecoin will likely go up and break this resistance trend line, and Litecoin did so, and now I said that last week we're gonna form another correction, which is a continuation pattern, which is a bear flag, and Litecoin did that as planned. So if you followed this setup, you could have made a lot of money. So now is another opportunity for you to place a long-term long position on Litecoin. So if you are finding this video interesting, please make sure to like and subscribe down below, because this is going to help the channel grow a lot. So now let me remove those blue lines and the ellipses so we can look at the price more accurately and see where we are heading. So as you can see, it looks like we're forming some sort of a channel again, as you can see. So this is what I'm looking out for the Bitcoin, for the Litecoin price. Litecoin could go down and test these levels once again, or possibly break to the upside. So I'll personally adjust these trend lines so that you could have a clear view of what is happening. Looks like another bullish flag to the upside, and it looks like Litecoin could go around the $195 level, then possibly go to the upside. Litecoin could do something like this, where price goes to the downside, then we get a break and possibly reach our price targets, possibly next week or the up and coming weekend. So we'll have to wait and see what happens in the Litecoin price. But if you want to place your long positions, make sure that you place them at around the $194 level. Put in your buy orders if the price does go there. But if you are waiting for the breakout of the support resistance trend line, you could place your trade at around the area where it's about to break out. So that's the short-term view for Litecoin, and possibly this trade could go and reach our take profit areas. So now let's look at the inverse head and shoulders and see what could be happening with that chart. So this inverse head and shoulders price, or let me just say this inverse head and shoulders pattern is playing out as I said, and our price target is at around the $235 level. Possibly it's the same price target as my long position, which you guys saw. So that could be the target if you are trading this inverse head and shoulders pattern. This is playing out perfectly. So now we just have to wait and see what happens. So this is gonna be it for today's video. Always stay digital.